Class 2, let's start our new chapter, lesson number 3, that is input and output devices. This is part 1 for this chapter. It's on page number 22. First, input devices. So let's read it. Open page number 22. The data and instructions that we enter into the computer is called input. The data which we enter into the computer is input. The devices that helps in entering these data and instructions into the computer are called input devices. So, when we enter some data into computer, that is our input, and the devices which helps us in entering our data are input devices. What we gives to computer, that is our input, and the devices which help us to give our information or instructions to the computer, that is input devices. Now let's read some basic input devices. What are they? So let's start with the first one, keyboard. And this is how it looks like. I hope you all know that, right? It has so many buttons which known as keys. A keyboard is an input device which is used to type words and numbers into the computer. So with the help of keyboard, we can type words or numbers into the computer. Next page is page number 23. Mouse. And this is how it looks like. This is also, you all know. I guess you all know, right? So a mouse is an input device which is used to draw pictures and select objects on the computer screen. It is also known as pointing device. A mouse is an pointing device and which is used to move or select the object. All right. Next is joystick. Joystick is used to play games. We can play games on the computer by using joystick. You can check its picture in your books, and the same picture is on the screen also. Next is scanner. A scanner is an input device which is used to copy and send images to a computer. These images can be in the form of photograph, drawings and logos. So this is scanner. You can check its picture in your book as well. So this is how it look like. You can scan the pictures, and whenever you have some photographs or drawings, so you want to put that drawings or photographs into the computer. So what will you do? You will, with the help of scanner, you can send those images or photographs or drawings into the computer. Okay. Next is microphone. A microphone is an input device which is used to record voice in a computer. So, microphone, like mic. You have seen that mic while doing the prayers or when sister principal give any speech. So, they use mic. So, same mic, microphone. It is attached to the computer whenever you want to record your voice or You can speak in it and record your voice into the computer. So it is also an input device. Microphone. Web camera. Web camera is an input device that is used to capture photograph and store it in a computer. So with the help of a web camera, you can click your pictures, captures your pictures, and you can save it in a computer. Now, one picture on the screen, check that picture. On right side, webcam is placed over a monitor to capture photographs. So, it will click the pictures and you can save those pictures into the computer. The last one in input devices is touch screen. Touch screen is an input device through which the data entered by simply touching the screen using a finger. Now you're using your mobiles, touch screen mobiles. So I guess you all are very familiar with this word, touch screen. So on touch screen, you don't need a mouse to select the object or to move any object. You can use your finger, the tip of your finger. With the help of that, you can do whatever you want to do. You can select, you can move any object. So with the help of your finger, by using your finger, you can select any object. So mouse is not required. Next is output devices. Output devices, we will do output devices in our next video. So till then, just revise the chapter input devices one